Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon at MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2023 230 Sunliner. Up front you see you have two sets of couches. Down in the lower section you have in-floor storage. You have armrest everywhere you look on this boat, cup holders, chargers, more chargers for your phone here, JL audio control at the head, SIMRAD, GPS, depth finder, simple authorized switches. Your binnacle control is mechanical on this boat. On your helm chair, you have a reclining helm chair, and this particular model is an SL layout, so you have a rear lounger in the aft section of the boat. Looking up, you have a 12-foot bimini on this boat. You have tow port back here, stainless ladder, and two fender holders. That's your 2023 230 Sunliner. If you want to come see this boat in person, stop by MarineMax Lake Norman.